Hi, my name is Gary Kravetz and I'm an attorney here at the law firm of Baillie and Hershman. In today's short video, I'd like to talk to you about permits and why they're important to you and your real estate clients. So when I say permits, I'm talking about a permit that you would obtain from the building inspector's office if you want to add an addition or make a replacement to your home. Easy example of this would be you want to add a deck to the back of your house, 12 by 12. You would go down to the local office, do an application, show them about the size of the deck you want to do, show them the materials you plan on using. You then go ahead and you do your project, and when your project's complete, whether you do it yourself or you have a professional doing it, you would then notify the town office. They will come out and inspect the work. If it's been done according to town codes and according to the application you filed, they will then, what we call, close the permit. And let's talk about why it's important to get a permit closed. Closing the permit means that the town has signed off or accepted and approved the work. And that's important because if you do work to your house and you don't have the town come and inspect it, the town does have the right to come back and do a few things which aren't pleasant for anybody. They can actually tell you to cease and desist, which simply means stop using, for instance, a new deck or a new bedroom because you didn't have it inspected. And that can happen to a new buyer even though the prior seller did the work. So to protect our buyers and protect your reputation, we want to make sure everything is nice and clean at the closing and these permits are closed. It used to be that we would have to go back and get permits closed that might have been done 15, 20 years ago. And that might seem ridiculous. So the legislature came up with a remedy for part of that. And a few years ago, we have a new law in effect, which basically says any permit for work to be done on a 1 or 2 family house that is more than 9 years old, 9 years from the date that the building permit was taken out, will now consider it closed. So in other words, it's going to act just as if the building inspector came and inspected it. The town cannot take any action against you, and a buyer is protected if more than 9 years has gone by. So these are things that are really important. We want to protect our buyers from and have everything go perfect for their real estate closing. So on behalf of Baillie and Hershman, again, I want to thank you today for your time. Hope you found this video somewhat informative, and please feel free to contact myself or any other attorney here at Baillie and Hershman for more information.